It's another glove plant. Another glove plant is growing. That's the rare rabbit glove plant. Today we are talking to the speech therapist to see about getting Jasmine her speech therapy going, hopefully before the end of the school year. It keeps getting pushed back and back further because of snow days and when our vehicle is broken down, and it's been crazy trying to get this thing scheduled. Jasmine! You get to start speech therapy soon. Yay! It's a good thing. Adam's doing some work on the dog pen, trying to add some metal to it where they keep escaping.
Hand me a screw.
So Junior's out for a walk, getting him acquainted to the land.
Girls, get away, please.
Where you going, buddy?
Come here, bud.
Junior!
After you feed, wait to feed Ruby for a little bit.
Now Prince is out. Prince! Hi, buddy.
He's got her, Tress. Come get her.
Prince! Hi, buddy. Adam's wearing my shoes.
I don't have any other shoes. They're my boots.
Junior!
Boots are hot.
Prince! He's just pulling a Ruby and staying crouched to the ground. There you go. Come on, buddy. Come on, Prince.
Careful.
He's like, ooh, something to pee on when I grow up. Oh my goodness. Look at him going to town on that water. And in the water.
Leave that there for now, Devin. Go get your...
Go ahead, Prince.
Hey. Get the big
Go
trash
get you
can and
some.
move it for now. And then get the snow shovel.
Junior,
Yeah.
you having a tasty drink?
He doesn't know what's coming out.
You see the reflection in the thing of his mouth. That is so cute.
Let's bring them all out here.
Oh, there goes Prince. Hey, buddies. Hey, guys.
They're gonna drink all the water.
That's
thirsty.
cute. There's our boys.
I did something I should have done.
Hey, cuties.
I did this and keeps on not wanting to.
Hi, cuties.
Back.
You guys trying to eat some of the puppy food now? You guys are growing up so fast. Cuties. Look at that little tail going.
It's the room with Ruby in, right?
I only thought we had 50.
So I just,
His tail is just so excited.
Puppies out.
oh,
Bring them over here.
You see the sun behind the tree there? I think that looks pretty. No, all the babies are out here. Getting to enjoy some fresh air. Hi. So I got one of those mushroom growing kits for at home. I forgot to show what the mushrooms looked like after they grew, but fried mushrooms, baby. I want to try to grow some again, and then this time I want to do Swiss mushroom Swiss burgers. Yeah.